May this radiant flame continue to illuminate our paths with knowledge, values, and virtue.
That even the coldest days feel brighter. It is my privilege to introduce and extend a warm welcome to our chief guest, Shri Rajan Vishal Sir, Secretary, Agriculture, Horticulture and Panchayati Raj Jaipur, whose presence adds grace and grandeur to our celebrations. We are equally honoured to have amongst us Shri Rajiv Jain Sir, Vice Chairman, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Jaipur Kendra, Shri Rajendra Bhanawat Sir, Chairman, School Managing Committee, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Vidya Ashram, Pratapnagar, and member, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Jaipur Kendra. Shri R.C. Jain Sir, Honorable Director, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Jaipur Kendra, Dr. Rekha Gupta Ma'am, Additional Director, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Jaipur Kendra, Srimati Asha Golesha Ma'am, Chairman, Bhavan Synthesis Outreach Program and member, Advisory Committee, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Jaipur Kendra. Srimati Ajayashree Sharma Ma'am, Principal, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Vidya Ashram, Pratapnagar Jaipur. Srimati Priyadarshini Kachwaha Ma'am, former Principal, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Vidya Ashram, Pratapnagar Jaipur and Consultant, Suruchi Kendra, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Jaipur Kendra. We are indeed blessed to have you all with us today. Your presence is a source of encouragement and inspiration for us all.
May I now request our respected Shri Rajiv Jain Sir, Vice Chairman, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Jaipur Kendra, to present a token of our respect and gratitude. A green bowl symbolizing growth, harmony and our shared commitment to a sustainable future, to our esteemed chief guest, Shri Rajan Vishal Sir. This gesture reflects our belief that nurturing nature is the truest form of celebration. Thank you, sir, for graciously accepting this symbol of our appreciation. Education is not the filling of a pail, but the lighting of a fire. A very good evening to one and all. I, Priyansha Srivastav.
And I, Anant Kumar.
On behalf of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Vidya Ashram Pratapnagar, extend heartfelt greetings to our honorable chief guests, respected dignitaries, esteemed parents, and cherished alumni of our school on this momentous occasion, the 16th Annual Day celebration.
Our institution stands tall as a temple of learning that blends the rich heritage of Indian culture with the spirit of modern education. It continues to nurture young minds with wisdom, creativity, and compassion. This evening is not merely a celebration of another year gone by. It is a tribute to a journey of growth, a pursuit of excellence, and the vision that continues to guide us forward. Rooted in values reaching for the skies, guided by wisdom that never dies. Each Bhavanite learns as each year flows, to think, to strive, to care, to grow. In light of knowledge, our path shines bright, with culture and character as our guiding light. Today we unfold with pride and grace the story of progress our schools embrace. Every milestone achieved, every dream nurtured, and every success celebrated adds another glorious chapter to the journey of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Vidya Ashram Pratapnagar. The annual report is not merely a record of events, it is the reflection of a collective spirit, dedication, and continuous commitment in quality in every sphere of education. With immense pride, we now invite our respected Ma'am Principal to kindly address the gathering, extend a warm welcome to our esteemed guests and parents, and also to present the annual report for the academic year 2025-26, highlighting the school's journey and achievements over the past year.
With deep reverence and immense delight, we extend a heartfelt welcome to our Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Rajan Vishalji, Secretary, Agriculture, Horticulture, and Panchayati Raj Jaipur. Sir, it is indeed a privilege and honor to have you amidst us this evening. We are equally privileged to welcome the esteemed members of Management Committee of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Jaipur Kendra. Our Vice Chairman, Jaipur Kendra, Shri Rajiv Jain ji. Chairman, School Management Committee, Shri Rajendra Bhanawat ji. Honorary Director, Jaipur Kendra, Shri R.C. Jain ji. Member Advisory Committee, Srimati Asha Golecha ji. Additional Director, Ma'am Rekha Gupta ji. Consultant, Suruchi Kendra, Srimati Priyadarshini Kachawal ji. A warm welcome also to our respected parents, dedicated teachers and beloved students. Your presence adds warmth and vibrance to this celebration of learning and achievement. I take this opportunity to introduce to you our chief guest. Shri Rajan Vishalji's illustrious journey is a shining example of intellect guided by purpose and compassion. Sir is a gold medalist from the National Academy of Administration and an accomplished officer of the 2008 IAS batch with 18 years of public service experience. He has served with distinction as District Collector in 4 districts, bringing transformative changes through his visionary governance. His initiatives in strengthening rural development, enhancing public service delivery, and empowering women stand as milestones of progressive administration. He holds 4 postgraduate degrees, including a master's in public administration from the Harvard Kennedy School. He also earned a certificate in management, leadership, and decision services from Harvard. From receiving the Best Electoral Practices Award for increasing women's voter participation to pioneering policies that have improved nutrition, health, and livelihoods. His awards also include the Rajasthan E-Governance Award, Clean Rajasthan Award, and Gold Medal in Village Study from LBSNAA, and Best Horse Rider Award at the same institution. Passionate about infrastructure violence, energy regulation, and climate change, Shri Rajan Vishalji embodies the true spirit of nation building through dedication and humility. Sir, your presence today fills this evening with inspiration and meaning. It is said that when great minds and noble heads come together, they illuminate the path for others. And your life's journey continue to do just that for countless young leaders and citizens. On behalf of the entire Bhavan's family, we extend our deepest gratitude and a very warm welcome to you, sir. Your gracious presence blessed this celebration and motivates us to uphold the Bhavan's ideals of Satyam, Shivam, Sundaram, truth, goodness, and beauty. Namaskar once again, and welcome to this evening of reflection, recognition, and rejoicing. With hearts brimming with pride and joy, I extend a warm welcome to one and all to the 16th annual day of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan's Vidyashram, Pratapnagar. The academic year 2025-26 has been a radiant chapter of excellence marked by perseverance, innovation, and brilliance. Guided by wisdom, strengthened by skill, values, and inspired by the vision of our revered management, our Bhavanites scaled new heights, weaving a tapestry of triumphs through dedication, discovery, and dreams fulfilled. Let us now have a glimpse on the screen of the report's overview. The overview reflects not just the achievements, but the spirit, resilience, and vision that define every Bhavan's ethos. It is with pride and joy that we now move forward to present the Annual Report 2025-26, detailing the initiatives, accomplishments, and moments that have made this year truly extraordinary. As we reflect on these achievements and we pay tribute to the guiding vision behind it all, our revered patriarch, Kulpati K.M. Munshi Ji. Bhavan and Kulpati K.M. Munshi Ji are synonymous. The Bhavan, his lengthened shadow, stands as a vibrant emblem of India's continuing renaissance. Upholding the visionary ideals of its founder, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Pratapnagar blends modern education with timeless cultural values. Guided by his vision and a belief in student-centric learning, the institution nurtures holistic growth, shaping both minds and hearts to illuminate every learner's journey with purpose and pride. We stand tall with immense pride as we celebrate a historic moment of academic brilliance in the CBSE Class 12 examination 2024-25. Take a look at these exceptional academic triumphs. Devanshi Shekhawat from Humanities stream has etched her name in golden letters by securing an astounding 499 out of 500 marks, emerging as the All India topper. Devanshi Shekhawat secured perfect 100 in English, political science, geography, and physical education. Her stellar accomplishment is not merely a reflection of academic mastery, but a symphony of intellect, discipline, and determination. Devanshi's journey embodies the spirit of perseverance, grace, and humility. With her achievement, she has brought unparalleled glory to the institution, illuminating the path for generations to follow. Stream toppers from grade 12 are Devanshi Shekhawat in Humanities with 99.8%, Muskan Priya in Science with 97%, Apurva Bohra in Commerce with 95.4%. School toppers from grade 10 are Bhavna Verma and Sri Jain, both with 98.20% top the charts. Anvesh Sharma and Ankit Rathore with 98% at second position. And Ranushi Bharadwaj and Mayank Satiwal secured the third position with 97.8% marks. Our perfect 100 scorers have turned diligence into distinction, reflecting brilliance in every subject they touched. Let us now take a look at the screen to honor their outstanding accomplishments. The school proudly awarded academic scholarships for the session 2025-26 to the commendable achievers of class 10 who secured 96% and above in CBSE secondary school examinations. The proud recipient of the academic scholarship are Sri Jain, Bhavna Verma, Ranushi Bharadwaj, Arya Vijay, Atharv Ranjan Sharma, Pearl Khandelwal and Mayank Satiwal. Their unwavering commitment to learning, consistent excellence, and exemplary dedication have earned them this well-deserved recognition. Taking this tradition of academic honor to even greater heights, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan has introduced the Sri K.M. Munshi Pratibha Scholarship Scheme, a monumental initiative to honor students of classes 8 to 11 who exhibit academic brilliance, holistic development, and exemplary values. Each awardee receives Rs 25,000. The proud recipient of this prestigious scholarship are Neeti Jangir of class 11, Tanishka Sharma class 9, and Love Sharma of class 9. These remarkable achievements mirror the vibrant learning culture of Vidyashram Pratapnagar, where young minds bloom with curiosity and confidence. As our students soar towards new vistas of excellence, they continue to embody the Bhavanite ideal. Let noble thoughts come to us from every side. Post-scholastic achievements breathe life into learning. Our students unfold new horizons of expression and accomplishment. Each success echoing the belief in education that inspires and empowers. Now let us celebrate our champions, the stars who have soared on fields near and far, bringing glory from district to international arenas. At the international level, it gives us immense pride to present to you Yash Bararia, a 15-year-old chess prodigy from Rajasthan, whose brilliance on the global chessboard has brought laurels to the nation. In 2025, Yash achieved the remarkable feat of earning his third international master norm, officially crossing the 2400 rating mark and thereby being conferred the prestigious title of international master at just 15 years and 9 months, becoming only the second player from Rajasthan to reach this milestone. This year, he also stood as the champion in the Serbia round-robin tournament and secured second position in the Armenia GM round-robin tournament, further cementing his status as a rising global chess sensation. Yash's journey of focus, strategy, and sheer talent continues to inspire countless young players across the country. At the national level, our young Bhavanite Gaurav Prasad of class 5 won the bronze medal in vaulting table at the CBSE National Gymnastics Championship. At the CBSE National Athletics Meet, held 9 of our athletes represented the school with remarkable spirit and commitment. The journey continued with many more victories at the state and district levels. Let's take a glimpse at the screen to relive those moments. The school proudly lifted the runners-up trophy in the overall championship in athletics under 19 boys category. Now let the champions take over the screen as we celebrate their sporting spirit. In the relay races, our teams showcased exceptional teamwork and determination. Both our teams, under 19 and under 17 4x400 meter relay race, secured gold medals. And under 19 4x100 meters relay race, the team bagged silver medal. Their magnificent performances led our school to win the championship trophy in the SGFI District Athletics Championship under 19 boys category. Indeed, a proud achievement for Bhavan's sports fraternity. Our girls matched every stride with grit and grace. Have a glance at the screen, a vibrant showcase of our students' dedication, energy, and sportsmanship awaits you. Our school has once again brought glory home at the Bhavan's 14th North and Northeastern Region School Athletic and Cultural Meet, winning the championship trophy for the second consecutive year. An exceptional performance in athletics where strength meets spirit and teamwork meets triumph. It truly reflects the winning ethos of Bhavanites. At the inter-school level, our young athletes made the school beam with pride by clinching the overall championship trophy in athletics Josh. Let's cheer as their moments of glory light up the screen. Each stride, each throw, and each leap spoke of passion, perseverance, and power. Their victory is not just a medal won, it is a celebration of discipline, spirit, and togetherness. At the prestigious K.M. Munshi Athletics Meet, Yuvraj Singh of class 11 emerged as the best athlete, clinching gold in 400 meters, 800 meters, and 1500 meter races. And the list of triumphs continues, showcasing the unwavering spirit of our young champions. Each event reflected their tenacity, endurance, and unwavering competitive spirit. At the inter-school tournament in JPGS, our young champions played with passion, precision, and pride, proving that dedication always leads to distinction. From the strategic moves of chess to the swift rallies of table tennis, from the graceful strokes in swimming to the energetic matches of badminton and basketball, our Bhavanites showcased excellence across every arena. Have a glance at the screen to witness our Bhavanites' victorious moments at the SGFI Zonal Tournament. Now, let us take a look at this year's remarkable medal tally, a true celebration of talent, determination, and sportsmanship. With 54 gold medals, 42 silver, 35 bronze, and a total of 144 bronze medals. Recognizing the exemplary performance in tournaments at the state level and above, sports scholarships were awarded to Mohit Ram Rakhyani, Nilesh Seni, Jayashree Parihar, Dhyan Lalji Badaya, Yash Baradia, and Parv Apre. Their achievements set a shining example for young Bhavanites to uphold the values of discipline, leadership, and teamwork through active participation in NCC and Scout and Guide activities. This year, 21 NCC cadets attended the 10-day combined annual training camp held at Steny College, Phagi, where Srishti of class 9 brought laurels to the school by winning a gold medal in 800 meters race. The Scouts and Guides are all set to further this spirit of adventure and service with their camp scheduled from 28th to 30th of November. Our young Bhavanites continue to illuminate the path of creativity, technology, and research with their extraordinary achievements. And this academic session has truly been a landmark year for innovation at Bhavans. Our budding innovators, Atharv Ranjan Sharma and Monish Joshi, brought immense pride to the institution with the publication of their patent titled A Construction Brick Composition and Preparation Method thereof, officially recognized by the Indian Patent Office on 28th February 2025. Their invention, Sugarstic Bricks, made from plastic waste and sugarcane residue, is a step forward towards sustainable construction and environmental conservation. Adding another feather to our cap, Atharv Ranjan Sharma was once again recognized for 2025 held in Vadodara. Our team presented their project Sahasrabahu, a smart survival uniform equipped with real-time health and threat monitoring. Their innovative project earned first place at the regional level and a spot in the national round. Let us now have a glance at the screen to witness our young innovators in action. Translating this spirit of innovation into action, the school offers a dynamic range of skill-based subjects and experiential learning programs that empower students to transform ideas into tangible outcomes. Have a glance at the screen to witness the wide spectrum of skill subjects introduced across classes 6 to 12, reflecting Bhavan's commitment to holistic and future-ready education. Through interactive projects and experiential learning, students actively engage in real-world problem-solving, collaboration, and innovation. The Buildathon program inspired innovation through design thinking, while My Dream Startup nurtured entrepreneurial confidence. Through the internship program, students gained real-life exposure, linking classroom learning with professional experience. For the younger Bhavanites, No Bag Day promoted creativity, life skills, and joyful learning beyond textbooks. Further enriching this vision of skill development, Class 9 STEM Foundation empowered students to explore real-world applications through hands-on experiments, discovering how science, technology, engineering, and mathematics shape our world. Our students distinguished themselves in cultural and literary pursuits, reaffirming the school's commitment to nurturing creativity and holistic growth. The canvas of visual art and creativity came alive with our students' imagination and flair. Be it meme making, eco snake and ladder, or a business pitch, creativity knew no bounds. With Kalighat palette painting, pixel photo editing, and slogan writing, artistry found vivid voice. Each stroke, each idea reflected thought, vision, and innovation. The realm of performing art came to life with expressions that spoke beyond words. From the powerful storytelling of drama to the silent eloquence of mime, creativity found its depth. The rhythm and grace of dance added a touch of splendor to every performance. Our students shone a literary and intellectual achievement where tradition met technology. They showcased brilliance in debate, elocution, and quizzing, and creativity in poster designing and essay writing. With shloka chanting, they upheld timeless values. While chatbot making reflected future thinking, and each achievement embodied intellect, imagination, and integrity. The year 2025 marked a memorable chapter in our literary journey, celebrating the achievements of young authors whose words moved hearts and sparked imagination. 3 exceptional books were launched: Voices in the Void by alumni Saloni Vijay and Harshita Bhargav, Carved by Love and Loss by Arunima Sharma of Class 11, and When the Winter Whispers, Tales of Agony by Navyan Sharma of Class 11. A total of 84 students have also been registered for the National Young Authors Festival 2025, with 26 of them proudly authoring their own books. We continue to nurture holistic growth through the 16 dynamic clubs, fostering creativity, curiosity, and character beyond classrooms. From art, music, and literature to science, fitness, and technology, each club provides students with opportunities to explore their interests and develop essential life skills. Together, they embody the Bhavan's ethos of shaping confident, compassionate, and complete global citizens. Let us witness our students in action, extending their hands with empathy and dedication through impactful community outreach initiatives that foster awareness, change, and hope. Adding to their spirit of compassion, students of classes 3rd to 8th contributed a generous donation of rupees 1,04,650 rupees to the World Organization of Animal Welfare. Please witness the spirit of Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam, the world is one family, come alive through our enriching exchange programs that build bridges of unity and understanding. The Jaipur-Nagpur Exchange unfolded a journey of shared learning and cultural bonding. While at the 13th National Integration Camp at Sikandrabad, our students showcased Rajasthan's heritage through a graceful dance drama. Adding a global dimension, the virtual exchange with Riverside Montessori School, Nigeria, on plants and light, deepened environmental awareness and cross-cultural understanding. Each experience reflected learning beyond classrooms. Now have a glimpse into the delightful journey of our tiny talks, where learning is filled with laughter, color and imagination. Our little Bhavanites of LKG and UKG have bloomed wonderfully this year, shining in both academics and co-curricular achievements. From rhythmic performances and storytelling sessions to creative art and theme-based activities, each moment reflected their enthusiasm and joy of learning. As we celebrate the spirit of Bhavans, let's take pride in our alumni whose remarkable achievements continue to uphold the school's legacy of excellence and inspiration. Aryan Chetiwal cracked the UPSC Civil Services Examination 2024, a testament to his perseverance and intellect. Pooja Meena cleared the Rajasthan Judicial Services exam, adding to the Bhavan's legacy of legal luminaries. Surbhi Gupta secured an impressive rank of 149 in the RAS examination. Her remarkable success mirrors her hard work and determination. Nishant Saxena brought laurels to the school by securing an outstanding All India rank 22 in IDEC and rank 249 in CLET, earning admission to the prestigious National Law University, Delhi. Our national topper, Devanshi Shekhawat, earned admission to NLU Jodhpur through CLET 2025, showcasing her diligence and determination. We take immense pride in our alumnus, Sub-Lieutenant Kshitij Kayata, commissioned into the Indian Navy, a true emblem of dedication and discipline. Harshit Katta and Manuj Dangayat successfully cleared the CA Final Examination 2024, exemplifying professional excellence. Yash Jarwal secured AIA 355 in CLET 2025, reflecting his hard work, and Himanshu made the school proud by securing admission to IIT Delhi. Each of these shining achievements stand as a proud testament to Bhavan's enduring legacy. Our faculty have brought laurels to the institution through their commendable accomplishments in research, innovation, training, and wellness during this academic session. Dr. Sarvesh Parekh has published research papers in reputed international journals, holds a patent for self-automated kiosk for smart handling of information resources, and is scheduled to present his paper at the National Conference on School Libraries at NCERT New Delhi on 11th and 12th November. Srimati Neelam Bhardwaj and Srimati Dipali Madan were appointed CBSE resource persons after completing the TOT workshop. Dr. Preeti Jain conducted a capacity building program on educating parents about education. Srimati Smita Sharma earned certifications in yoga and wellness. Srimati Suchita Mathur received the Teacher Power Excellence Award from IIHM Jaipur for innovative contributions in education. Srimati Arpana Johri and Srimati Shubhi Sharma received the Best Teachers Trophy at the Akshay Patra Teachers Fest. Dr. Ankit Kala earned his PhD for his research on the impact of transitioning from Indian accounting standards to international financial reporting standards. Srimati Satakshi Sharma, Srimati Shubhi Sharma, Srimati Dipali Madan, and Sri Rakesh Kumar were honored by NIMS University for their contributions to education. Each year, the school organizes an array of workshops and orientation programs designed to nurture professional and personal growth among staff and students. As we reflect on another year of growth and achievement, our hearts brim with gratitude. First and foremost, the blessings of the Almighty, the unwavering trust and support of our parents, and inspiring vision and of our management, and the collective dedication of our staff have been the pillars of every success. To our dear students, your enthusiasm, discipline and creativity infuse our school with joy, energy and purpose. You are the reason our corridors echo with laughter, dreams and hope. Together, we continue to nurture not just a school, but a family bound by shared values, gratitude, and the promise of a brighter tomorrow. Thank you once again for your time and attention. Have a great evening. Namaskar.
Thank you, ma'am, for that inspiring address and the comprehensive report that beautifully captured the year's milestones, achievements and aspirations. Your words truly remind us how far we have come and how much more we can achieve under your